guys, welcome back. Let's talk about a new feature in Odoo 20. So basically, a first impression is actually matter in every sales. Like especially when you guys are sending a quotation to your customer. So a quotation that includes the product image not only looks more professional, but it's also help to customer quickly understand and identify what they are actually purchasing. So is that an interesting feature? Yeah. Here in Odoo 20, you have a feature which is called you can display an image on your quotation. So let's see how we can do them. So if you want to boost up your sales, you can simply use that feature in Odoo 20. Let's move on to the sales module for that. I am moving on to the configuration. Under the settings, you need to enable that feature under the quotations and the orders. Under the quotation and orders, you can find that particular option, which is you can display the product images, show the product image on your PDF and online quotations as well. Enable this option and hit the save button before you are moving on to any other options as well. And once you guys are done with it, now let's move on to the orders and quotations. So here I didn't even show the quotation that is not getting that particular feature is I think you guys know about how a normal quotation looks like without that particular feature. So I'm going to show you how the quotation looks like with that feature. Okay, so let's create a new quotation by clicking on the new option. I'm just going to specify with the customer, let it be Acme Corporation. We are going to send a customer quotation to Acme Corporation, but I just want to look my quotation in a professional way and I want to show the product images because Acme Corporation need to identify and understand what they are actually going to purchase. Okay, so now I'm going to add the product lines. So first of all, I just need a table. So I'm moving on to the table. So there we have large meeting table. So before adding the product in your order line tab, what you need to ensure that for your particular product that we need to configure an image on the product creation time. Okay. So if I want to see the large meeting table product is there or not, I can simply move on to the internal link of that particular product. And there you can see this is the image. Okay. So if I'm just clicking on there, you can see this is the basic image of my large meeting table. And let me move back. And I want to add one more product, which is a chair. Okay. So I'm just moving on to the chair side and I'm adding an office chair as well. And if I'm just looking into the internal link of that office chair, I can see this is the image of my product. Okay. So I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to send this quotation to the customer. So one of the large meeting table have $4,000 and for the office chair we have $70 and we provided a both discount as well. Okay, now let's see how it look like when we are sending them to your customer. So you can simply click on the preview option or you can print out them. I'll show you. So if I'm just clicking on the preview option, what will be happening is there I can give you a zoom thing. Like you can see under the description we have added the product and under the product there you can see the product images is also showing there. Okay, so that's how it looks like once we guys are done with that. Okay, so now let me show you one more thing. Like if we are going to print out that how it looks like, let me move on to the the quotation itself. Moving on to the print option and under the quotations and orders, I'm going to download that particular thing. Let me click on there. Now you can see for the Acme Corporations under the PDF that we have print out, like you can see for each of the product you can find it's displayed the product image as well. So basically this is actually very helpful once your customer needs a clarity about your quotation, and definitely it's going to boost up your sales in a very easy manner. So that's all about this video. And one more thing I want to add up is actually I just want to introduce one app to you guys, which is Mobo. We Cybrosys introduced a mobile suite for Odoo. Like if you guys are just using or if you guys are a user of Odoo and you just need to carry your business inside your pocket, you can simply use Mobo. Okay, so there we have varieties of modules in there like sales, they will have accounting, the invoicing, purchasing, and everything is there. Okay, so you can simply move on to the mobile, like you can download them inside the Play Store and the App Store as well, and please download it and use them. So you can simply do all the configuration and settings, or you can even check the report if you are a sales manager or if you are an owner of your company. You can simply do anything inside the mobile, like you can see what are the things that is happening inside your company using an Odoo, which is an ERP software. So this is very helpful feature to you guys. So I just introduced to you that particular app. You can simply use them and let me know how your reviews are about that app. So that's all about this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with new Odoo 20 features that is really going to help your sales to boost up. So bye bye.